Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can cancel membership on YouTube channel. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Right over there, simply go ahead, tap on this option of profile icon in the bottom right. Now from over here, tap on this square icon on top right. Now tap on this option of purchases and membership. If you come over here, you will be able to access your membership of any paid membership that you have taken from YouTube. All you have to do is tap on it and tap on this manage membership option. There you will be able to tap on this option of deactivate. Then afterwards you have to select end membership that will be available afterwards. All you have to do is tap on this cancellation confirmation that will appear on the screen. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to cancel for your subscription just like that on YouTube. That way you can do that for any of the paid membership that you have over here in YouTube, and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.